Okay, so this one's going to be short and sweet. Basically, I'm having some issues with my Z where after installing the angle kit, I cannot really run my really wide wheels, which is, I guess it's not really the angle kit's fault, but I like to have wide rims. But so what I need to do now is to be able to install a spacer, but I do not want to do a bolt-on spacer on the car. I want to be able to do slip-ons, and in order to do that, you have to run extended studs, and I'm going to be running these bad boys. These are ARP extended studs. They're really good quality. 30 bucks for, no, almost 40 bucks for 5 of them. So you do the math if you want to convert your car all over to ARP studs. So they're pretty expensive, but in my opinion, they're worth it because you can run any size spacer at any time you want. You can just run a slip-on spacer. Right now, I do have a spacer in my car already in the front. I'm running an eBay extended lug nuts, but they're not long enough. So this is really the max spacer I can do. I need to go a little bit bigger than that because my angle kit. Let me get my camera in there. Because as you can see, just how close the rim is to the knuckle, and the white ones are really the only rims that fit on my car right now, which are these. These aren't that wide. These are like 18 by 8.5, 10 or 9, I think. But I want to be able to run 18 my XXR 18 by 10. So yeah, blah blah blah. XXRs make fun of me. So yeah, well, I'm not gonna show it too much. Basically, what you have to do, you have to pull the hub off the knuckle first, which is pretty easy to do. So I'm not gonna film that. I'm just gonna show you guys how to actually install it onto the hub itself. So yeah. Okay, so I got the hub out. By the way, when you have an angle kit, it's so easy to take the hub out. I just basically went to full lock and took the bolts out, and here it is. It took me less than 5 minutes. But anyway, so this is like the ghetto way or at home way of doing it. I do have access to a press at my work, but for video's sake, or like most people, they don't have a press, so I am showing you guys how to do this without a press. So what I did, you basically need to put something to where this part of the hub is resting on something like a hard surface, metal or something. You can either use, I got these spacers from my job and just spaced it out so it's actually, this hub is sitting on this, and basically we're just going to hammer down on this and it should pop right out. If you don't have those little spacers or something like that, you can use sockets or whatever. So yeah, I'm just going to put a nut on this because this is still a good stud. So I'm going to try to save it, otherwise you damage it. So nut on it. And sorry, it's kind of hard to film and do this at the same time. There it is. This one's out. So take the nut out. Okay, that's one spacer out. That was easy. I'm going to take all of them out, then I'll show you guys how to install the new one. So the old ones are out. Now we're going to begin installing the new ones. So what you do now, you get yourself another spacer, or if you have super long sockets, you don't need it, but these aren't that long. So what you do, you put one right there, right above one of the big holes on the spacer, and you put another one on the opposite end, and this one is just for support. Then you lay this down right over there so it can go all the way down through. Reposition it to where you have good access to it. And okay, and then you have to basically hammer that. I'm sorry I cannot film this, but I will show you the after effect. So if you can't, put something on it like a punch or something that, you know, that can stick up about that high off of it, and then hammer that down. Okay, so now we are converted over to the ARP extended. So the beauty of this is I can just grab whatever spacer I need, whether it be a 1-inch, slip it on and bolt your wheel on that. There's plenty of thread left. And then if I want to swap over to a smaller one, I can do that too. So yeah, there you go. All right, so yeah, that's the whole reason why I did this, is so I can swap between any spacer and wheel combo without an issue and still have good fitment. So yeah, like I said, I did it like this for you guys on YouTube who are going to be doing stuff like this at home, because not everyone has access to a press. I could have done this on the press, it would have taken me half the time. I decided to do it this way. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and see you guys later.